Look at someone here, something test le shuye. And three ni tun gi na liya. Surface areas and volumes ki look se to go big go. And then now ne any surface areas and volume of a cylinder ga ni. And number sang me gi singo re cylinder la warajna kadum la go pe beton. So the big so to ye gi de la cylinder la go kadum. Ta na shin ranzo ye be gi pencil la go CD. CD di kare la na CD chik gimbara circle wa CD mangbush chik no an kharcha so kadum charu do ko so da cylindrical shape so di zambala ta range mo jolop di cylinder gali ani cylinder la di condition la bo na cylinder is a solid with two identical flat ends that are circular and the curved surface area so cylinder la circular end near is flat wa penetration delia cylinder di flat wa flat di khar do circle do finishing flat shimba di circle wa so di example di ni che an yem do la khari yo na bugu chu res curve nam ju ina ngo cuboid da cube do ina flat surface ba flat surface so di example tari del khari yo re curve chu curve bugu so surface ka jo re sumyo curve chik che top the bottom la circular flat surface ni so today we saw the cylinder la today la go re ani ta nganzui gi taring gi lobjen di cylinder gi surface area the volume gala thangbo formula dikhan this derived shape me de yi number sama and there is cylinder same sing do de cylinder la origina it has a curved surface and two flat surface that are circular in congruent circle ni jore so where top the circle in the sons on call radius r yore circular the curve the and call height of the sons on the cylinder the height the chart h so casing also this cylinder the dus chebarich na ang anzo karali do lotu so if you cut this cylinder cross section do chiwarich na on the cylinder the cut chiwarich na cylinder becomes and the cylinder the kharcha so oh yeah rectangular sheet chikta and circular ni li ro top the bottom ni na so the net on the bottom you just say ro top the me chidan del chikli the in person the numbers they see da the when you the cross section wrong to the cut chiwarish na cylinder the ro cut chiwarish na majo khara do cylinder the cut china khara do the dish ra do so the net of a cylinder net lewa flat surface ka shay na net so the khara do monzolia the flat surface the kharel na the kharcha do wall na this is a net of the cylinder and the kharcha rel na rectangular sheet chasa so rectangle so the in this symbol tangbo monzo the wa the shashi gi na circle ni the shashi gi da rectangle chi bodi rectangle the kharchi do guksu na curve surface na monzo fold chi bar china when you fold this what you obtain is the curved surface so curved surface area of a cylinder is nothing but area of a rectangle. So we are going to find the curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Now, what is area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is equal to length times breadth. Area of a rectangle is equal to length times breadth. So, the length rectangle the length khazurela na length the fold china kharcha do length the kharcha do circle gi thagorin the charu do circle gi thagorin the it becomes the circumference of a circle length to the length the rectangle the length the fold china kharcha do length becomes the circumference of a circle circle ta re de ra thago ring the charu do length so what is the length of a rectangle sheet so rectangular sheet the length kharcha do na circumference of a circle and we know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r so circumference of a circle dikhare na thago ring se 2 pi r times breadth dikha cha do na cylinder the height cha do ya lang na becomes the height so therefore this is the height of the cylinder cylinder the tabji gya suna dus chi suna ang zo khara do height charu do di khar charu do height. So this is the breadth of the rectangle, so it becomes the height. So therefore the curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h square unit summation go area la square li ro a unit la na, whether it's a centimeter or meter or kilometer khari in a unit dimathia square, centimeter square, kilometer square, inch square, all the square. So curved surface area of a cylinder is nothing but 2 pi rh. So Jeman the temperature original a cylinder is made up of curved cylinder. The curved surface of the cylinder is made up of rectangle. The what's here ma rectangle is. So rectangle is original. Rectangle is sheet dila area khajala length times breadth wa. Length khacha du orla and circle gi towering se. Length the circle gi towering se. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and the breadth is the height of the cylinder. So therefore length is 2 pi rh times h is 2 pi rh is the curved surface area of the cylinder. So Gemani cylinder gi curved surface area. Did you push top the bottom the much version curved surface. Once you cuboid the cube la kharela na top the bottom much in a lateral surface area lago. The flat member sons the curved member sons the lateral surface area lago man. So manguchi de khar thuchire curved surface area. Chidan lateral lane di word. In a kra gogo member sons and the curved surface area. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. What is that? Takarlazo cylinder the top the bottom half of surface area na lago chana yu chazan si varishna. So manzolia the total surface area. Now the total surface area of a cylinder. So total surface area of a cylinder is correct. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Rectangle area is plus 2 times area of a circle plus 2 times area of a circle. Circle ni area kachilana top la circle jore circle digi area. Tanish bottom la circle your circle ki area. And summation gore area of a circle is pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square. Therefore total surface cylinder gi curve down top the bottom ni ga circle doms na khali area of a rectangle thadi raso 2 pi rh plus 2 times the area of a circle correct pi r square. So total surface area of a cylinder is 2 the 2 common do 2 che pi the pi common do pi che r del r square la na r square is nothing but r times r chi common do a kharna so del h tha so 2 pi r ne h tha so plus 2 pi r square r ni ne r chi twin sarwa r chi khai ro r. So this is the total surface area of a cylinder. So del h is square units. Those chीजें मंजो की formula ही बदी total surface area of a cylinder लसी चार्ट यूरे तंग मंजो की थामा दी घर चार्ट हुए ना अनि मंजो की volume of a cylinder. So volume रे capacity of a cylinder शोमचे हुआ नांगलो खचु शोमबुरे चला दी नांगलो खचु शोमबुरे शोमचे दी खचु रे. So दी तो उसी बचना दी नांगलो लिया मंजो की खरी ये powder खचु शोमबुरे दी ना शोमचे वा शोमचे दी की शीरी संबल नंगंसु खत्तु ने formula करेला ना solid object की formula करेला ना base yoga because base the circle base area la. So because base cylinder ka base kare khattu ni circle cylinder la sa circle base top the bottom ni ga circle ki area base area la circle ki area khare pi r square times height la okay base the circle ro circle mangbuch sig circle mangbuch sig jo mo jo khara so circle diya tik kharcha so cylinder cha so this becomes a cylinder thangbu circle iba circle the mangbuch stick ni then it becomes a cylinder. So base area of a circle pi r square times h. So therefore the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Today basonza manzegi formula summary volume of a cylinder kharcha rule na is equal to area of a base. Base की area जो times करेला ना height चिदानी and the solid object की volume of cylinder volume से चला solid object volume से चला वर्षना area of base times height and base की करेला ना circle रो circle की area करे pi r square times h ला. So volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Volume la example ka 2 ni ka charu cubic units. So therefore, volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Total solia, manju ki tala cylinder ki surface area, curved surface area da total surface area ta na shi volume of a cylinder ki formula di kan this derive chi me de ni shi kya shi bas. Okay, total solia ta tanji ngazo cylinder ki total surface area, curved surface area, volume ki formula kan this right na samushin go. So these are the three formulas. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Total surface area di 2 pi r h the curve di che ani plus 2 pi r square. Circle ni ki area di 2 pi r square. And this is simplified 2 pi r times r plus h square units. And volume di base kare circle. Circle ki area 2 pi r kasa gonda pi r square and times height. That is the volume of the cylinder. Now 먼저 다리 textbook exercise 13.2 di 먼저 question 지긴다 cylinder 내와 유비와. So 먼저 이게 the word problem. Whenever you solve the word problem, you must read the question very carefully and try to get all the things which are given here. 얘를 가르쳐 주면 이 참아라 또 같이 지와 가르쳐 주는 건데 막 question mark 또는 기투나 빼려고 차도에. So the first thing is to read the question. 아무 question 디 강자실로다. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. So right circular cylinder is the curved surface area curved surface area curved surface area of a right circular cylinder A of height 14 cm is 88 cm. Curved surface area 14 raised some 10. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 14 of height 14. The height di 14 centimeter. Height cylinder di height 14 centimeter chiba digi. And curved surface area di 88 centimeter square is. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So the diameter chaswa. The chunju chiwa radius. So diameter is 2 times radius. So if you know radius, you will be able to find diameter. Diameter is 2 times radius. So once we need to find radius. The curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 14. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 14 of height 14 cm. Cylinder digi height 14 cm and curved surface area di 88 cm square. Find the diameter of base of the cylinder. So diameter of the base of the cylinder, the diameter chatwa. So to find D, R 2 times R diameter. So we need to find R. So we need to find the radius of the cylinder. Cylinder the radius. So chiwa the boss chi yanjaj kotsu de tadarwa. So on the nenga per pagi remote titu na. In a shin yellow solution match this umbrella. Whatever is given, write it down. Correct given area height of the cylinder station. It is given that height of a cylinder is equal to 14 centimeter. Height is given. Any curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder is also given. It is 88 centimeter square. We are asked to find the diameter of the cylinder. So we are asked to find diameter of the cylinder. So this is how to do. So diameter says we need to find radius because diameter is 2 times radius. Radius is how to do something. Curved surface area. What is the formula to find the curved surface area of a cylinder? So curved surface So curved surface area of a cylinder curved surface like rectangle is. A rectangle की length दिखा रहा है circumference 2 pi r circumference of circle and height. So rectangle की length 2 pi r che breadth the height chart wa 2 pi r h is the curved surface area of a cylinder. So therefore all those things on the day is so much tissue version cut here curved surface area of the cylinder curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 88 centimeter square. So solve 20 centimeter square curved surface area of cylinder formula the match theta. So curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h is equal to 88 wa. Remember? So the example now substitute the value substitute the 2 times what is value of pi? 22 by 7. You know 3.14 and you should write the value of pi as 22 by 7. Did you radius 7 divide to each. So radius diameter radius. So let us write this radius as r. Let r be the radius. Let r be the radius of the cylinder. R times height. Height 14 is equal to 88. So r. So this so here which implies r is equal to 88. This 70 divided into divided by I need 2 into 22 into 14 like 2 times 22 times 14. So mazu cut the relation 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. And there you are 22 1s are 22, 22 4s are right? So these 7 1s are and 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are. So radius is equal to 1 centimeter. Radius is 1 centimeter. And so radius is diameter is diameter. Therefore, diameter of the base of the cylinder is equal to correct radius ni cylinder diameter and 2 times radius 1 which is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, the diameter of the base of the cylinder is 2 centimeter. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Close top the bottom close water tank of height 1 meter. Height 1 meter. The base tank is 1 meter height. Close near the circular base the cylinder in the sonza and the curve the tank is tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 diameter the 140 centimeters. Height the 1 meter. So chick unit meter the centimeter. So centimeter la unit tank la usable mangche meter na centimeter ne meter park no so the usable 100k divide okay that is from a metal sheet charge tank the correct pseudo it is made up of metal sheet charge we need to make a tank cylindrical tank made up of sheet. So metal sheet is closed sheet. This circle chick do engage circle go top the bottom close cylinder. How many square meters of sheet are required for the same? So they total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is curved surface area plus 2 times area of a circle 2 times area of a circle. Close top the mena and curved surface area plus 1 of the area of circle. Watch it gang they close to pi r square so this we need to find the meters square meters required to make a tank cylindrical tank sheets where they go. So this is correct. We need to find the total surface area of a cylinder. So this is what you put something. So correct diameter radius is equal to 140 divided by 2 diameter diameter is equal to 2 times radius so radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Diameter 140 divided by 2 is 70 centimeter and the tank this is meter conversion chair centimeter so the meter conversion this becomes 70 divided by 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 70 by 100 is 0.7 meter. So radius is 0.7 meter. So the solution is given they have given the diameter. Base diameter is equal to 140 centimeter. So therefore, radius of the cylinder is equal to 140 divided by 2. Diameter the radius ni diameter the radius so the example is 70 centimeter, which is equal to tengi di meter conversion. So centimeter the meter conversion 100 what it becomes is 0.7 meter. And another thing they have given is the height. And the height of the tank is equal to 1 meter. So also your metal sheet the closed where curve cylinder top the bottom top the bottom so close into sample we need to find the total surface area of cylinder. So here the total surface area of the cylindrical tank. The tank the formula total surface area formula 2 pi r times r plus h. So which is equal to the sum substitute the 2 times the value of pi is 22 by 7 and r is 0.7 meter. R is again 0.7 plus height the 1. Substitute sheet which is equal to 2 times 22 times 0.7 times 1.7. 0.7 the 1 doms 1.7. So divided by 7. So this example division so this becomes which is equal to 7 cut 0.1. So this becomes 22 so 44 times 17 ones are 17 and 0.17. What is that? Decimal store decimal so they multiply each other. This can be written as so they'll multiply each other 17 times 44. So 4 7s are 28, 4 1s are 4, 6, 4 7s are 28, 6. So 8 6 plus 18 8 is 14, 1 7. And they'll decimal new chikni. So this becomes 7.48 meters square. Therefore, the required metal sheet to make a tank is 7.48 meters square. On the square in Pogozoria. Metal sheet required so therefore the required metal sheet 7.48 tanki the height 1 meter chiwata diameter the 140 centimeter chiwati sheet the tank swell 7.48 meter is look so dia ngato bitsawata ni textbook question number 2 ba dumba keba wa number so number chi 다는 시 고바다 주바 넘버즈 칸토도 배전 나오지 넘버즈 치토에 요래 배전 나오지 예수에 이나로리아 포션 넘버 2버드 차츠 버르스나 curve surface area 와 먼저 curve surface area formula 데 apply chereisha 2 by rh question number 2버드 차츠 버르스나 we need to find the again curve surface inner lower nanglo lower jine chilo lower jine inner lana radius nanglo de le so nanglo chunga the radius de curve surface area ra share formula ramja re ani digi cost share isha khazu to me meter square chik la khazu li ne into share curve surface area khazu raso Dine question number geba do cha se borishna manzo ya heater girwa and radiating system digi area khasu remission chaw sunge so cylinder ran ye curved surface area wa so chaw sunge lo example ta bicha do gonda delia cylinder gi chaw sunge lo top to bottom ni ga chi total surface area cha do 2 pi r times r plus h like the total surface area of a cylinder cha do dine manzo question number goba di do cha se borishna maranzo girwa Dela lateral surface area nana the curved surface area la curved surface area ta ang ngajo gi total surface area the time se and then ngajo delia this equals to question number ko ba ti ma to na kem do to kana ma because se to na pe adu then question number 2 ba di ngajo la delia cloth ka jo correlate to wa frame del wa then frame the lamp shape del wa frame ka jo ko la di ya transfer the height di ka jeli do dom che chang ma dom circular disc rate te do jo gi height di chang ma dom che we need to find the just we need to find the curved surface area. To see and to what in the and numbers now